Today's topic is to filter a list of strings which are based on a list of the substrings. So how we are going to do is, first we are going to initialize our list, that is a list of strings, and after that we are going to initialize our list of the substrings over here, and after that we are going to use the list comprehension and an any method over here. So what does this list comprehension is gonna do is, we are going to go through each and every element of our list one, and after that we have an if condition and an any method over here, in which we are going to go through each and every elements of our list number 2, that is a list of our substrings. So but over here we only have one element, so we are just going to go through the one element over here, and after that we are checking that if that particular element of the substring is present in any of the list of strings or not. If it is present, then we are storing that value in our string number 1 variable and we have them as an output. As you can see it over here, we have 1, 2, 3 as a substring which is already present into the 2 elements of our strings. So and we have them as an output, that is 123 AAA and 123 CCC.